Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Wicked Crypto. Today, I'm going to touch on Bitcoin and PayPal. Also, there's some whale alert as well. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. And for my Patreon member, we already anticipate this Bitcoin pump coming. I post a video on October 11. And if you are interested, you can join my Patreon group. Also, I post two tokens that has the potential similar to Chainlink or Tezos. If you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. Also, if you don't have an account in Gemini, you can check it out. So if you click the link below and open an account, both of us will receive $10 worth of Bitcoin. So also Brave browser. So if you're still using Internet Explorer, forget about it because it just they are doing some whole bunch of like trackers or whatever. And Brave browser block out advertising and help me to serving the internet faster. If you're interested, you can click the link below as well. So let's talk about the Bitcoin. So this is pretty interesting tweet from Crypto Bird. Almost $10 billion collected by the institution, and you are still shorting. So you can see MicroStrategy. We know that MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin since September, right? So they have holding of over 38,000 Bitcoin. Galaxy Digital, Mike Novogratz, over 16,000 Bitcoin, and Square has Jack Dorsey 4,700 Bitcoin. Hunt Mining Corporation, and so this is in the stock exchange they're trading. You can see the stock exchange symbol. In terms of market cap, they have 1.7 billion and 28% holding in Bitcoin, and this Galaxy holding is 71%, and of course Square is only 0.1. It's only 4,000, and you can see this one is 2,900. In terms of the Bitcoin holding 35%, and the purchase, you can see when was it purchased. That was back in August and September. He bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin, Michael Saylor. And this one, Galaxy Digital, since June 30th. This is when they have a SEC filing. They have to report all these things. But you know what? I suspect Galaxy Digital bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin long time ago. Seriously. Square, 15 million Bitcoin investor white paper. Okay, whatever. Voyager Digital, and listed on Canadian Stock Exchange, I guess. March 31st, and then 1,200 Bitcoin. Riot blockchain. In Nasdaq is Riot, and in terms of Bitcoin is only over 1,000. The holdings is 7.1%. Bit Digital, and in Nasdaq is BTBT 7.1%, and then only 900 Bitcoin. Cartel, and this is December. They bought in December 2015, only 500. And Advanced Bitcoin Technology, and you have only 253. And Hive blockchain, which is only 200. So I'm not going to go on that. This is nothing interesting. And then you have Block One. Block One is, of course, is the creator of EOS, and they have over 100, probably 140,000 Bitcoin. So I'm not surprised. Long time ago, Block One EOS, they probably bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin back when Bitcoin is pretty cheap, that cheap at the time. Tezos Foundation, September 20th, they bought. This is probably the last time they purchased. But I suspect Tezos Foundation, they probably bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin long time ago. There's like 24,000 Bitcoin. Stone Ridge Holding, 10,000 Bitcoin. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, they have ETF like OTC in the stock market. So if you have a brokerage account, you can basically buy GBTC or ETHE or Litecoin, LTCN. Those are listed in the OTC, and you basically can buy. And but the thing is, those are just ETF. You don't hold your private key, you don't hold your token. And they have 456,000 Bitcoin. Coin shares, they have 69,000 Bitcoin. And then the Bitcoin fund, you have 8,000 Bitcoin. And ETC group ETF, so you have 5,200 Bitcoin. And so this is an ETF in Bitcoin. This is in the Canadian exchange. This is in the OTC market. GBTC in the US market. So this is pretty interesting piece. Yeah, I'm not surprised because right now it's a debasement of the US dollar. Every single country printing, and the more Bitcoin worth, that means the US dollar is not worth too much, right? In order to preserve your capital, you probably in terms of inflation, you probably want to put some of the asset into crypto as well as commodity as well. So let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. And of course, right now everybody talking about it. Saylor, MicroStrategy bought like 425 million Bitcoin, and he also mentioned Bitcoin is million times better than gold. So this is nothing new. This is back in September when this interview published in Real Vision. So so this is nothing new. When right now everybody talking about it, I think it's not. I mean, when everybody talking about it, I think I would go to the opposite direction. In terms of the let's see, the fear and greed index 73. I'm not surprised this will go even higher. That means the pump will go even higher. I'm not surprised before there's a correction. So right now it's 73. Maybe it can pump even higher. I could be wrong as well. So, but the thing is, if you are my Patreon member, you already anticipate this pump coming anyway. I talk about that in October 11. In terms of the long and short position, you can see the non-commercial one. You have 7,300. You have short position 9,900, and commercial institutional investor short position 70, long position 28. I'm not surprised they're going to pump even higher, so they can liquidate this short position depending on the so the price point, their short price point, right? And let's see, and super crypto. In case if you follow my channel, you know who I'm talking about. So he made the right call back in 2017, and everybody is so bullish about Bitcoin, right? And everybody's so bullish, Bitcoin is going to 100K, blah, 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 institution is coming in, blah, 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 in 2017. And see what happened, after 20K, it got all down to 3K, right? And then we are undergo a bear market cycle. Right now, we are back to the bull market cycle. And you can see, so he did make a correction, right correction. And he talked about silver will beat Bitcoin in the rate of return after 2017. I'm not surprised. Silver is very undervalued. And he also talked about the CME gap. The CME gap is 9,500. So be careful out there, okay? And let's talk about PayPal quickly. So PayPal right now in talks to buy crypto firms, including BitGo. I'm not surprised. Right now, everybody want to jump to the bandwagon in the cryptocurrency is because of the US dollar, the monetary system. They are printing, not only in the US, in Europe, the ECB, and as well as the Japanese, and also in Asia, China as well. So that means those US dollar, those cash is trash, just like Ray Dalio said, right? So I'm not surprised. So people go to the gold and silver as well as crypto. And of course, we know this 3 days ago, Bitcoin is going to incorporate Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin into their payment system, and the merchant can start using it next year, probably at the first quarter. But the thing is, like, you cannot transfer your Bitcoin out of your PayPal wallet to the hardware wallet. Those are not, they cannot do that. So the thing, my take is that if you don't hold your private key, you don't hold your token, period. And that's my take on it, right? So those are good for the mainstream adoption. For average people, do not know the technology know-how to transfer the token to a different exchange or to a different wallet, and how to configure a hardware wallet, stuff like that. So yeah, so they don't want any to deal with the custodials, all this crap. So maybe it's good for mainstream adoption because they can just leave it in the PayPal. But the thing is, not your private key, not your token. The the basis of the fundamental of the blockchain technology is to decentralize the power back to the people from the institution control, right? So of course you want to hold your private key. You are your own bank. You are responsible for your money, right? So if you leave it in an exchange, the exchange can go bust. And if you leave it in the PayPal, it's a centralized system, they may got hacked. So just FYI, right? Anyway, so let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you as well. And of course, there's some whale alert. So I think a few days before the pump of 13K, there's a whole bunch of Tether minted in the Tether treasury, transferred to Binance. So I'm not surprised this pump at all. You can see right now, let's see, the link, they just have a link transfer from unknown wallet to unknown wallet, which is about 2.9 million. And then you have a link as well. And then let's see, what else do they have? 4,000 Bitcoin transfer from XAPO to unknown wallet. And you have 2,000 Bitcoin transfer from unknown wallet to Bitstamp. And also you have 9,800, oh wait, no, not 9,000. It's 988 Bitcoin transfer from Bitfire to unknown wallet. And then, oh, this is the same transaction. Not 1,000 Bitcoin from unknown wallet to Bitfire. Okay. And let's see, what else do they have? 19 million Tether transfer from Tether Treasury to Binance. So do you think that's going to have a harder pump? Over 88,000 Ethereum transfer from unknown wallet to unknown wallet. Over 68,000 Ethereum transfer from unknown wallet to Uniswap. Oh, interesting. So right now the gas fee is not that bad. It's only 28 Gwei, back to a normal. Okay, before it's like, with the DeFi decentralized finance yield farming, they at one point get to like 230 Gwei. I mean, seriously, I'm not going to pay for that crazy gas. Right now it's more back to a normal level. Oh my goodness. Anyway, oh, where is that one? And then you have 9.3 million BUSD is minted at the PAX treasury. So it's a stable coin. I hope they have the US dollar to back it up. But anyway, I think they should back up by gold, not US dollar anymore, right? Isn't it? So, and then you have 48,000 Ethereum transferred from unknown wallet. And then you have 29 million USDC transferred from unknown wallet. And let's see what they have in here. 24 million USDC minted at USDC. Who? No, I don't like that. I don't like the minted stuff, you know. I hope they have money to back it up. But I think USDC, they do have the money to back it up, but you never know. So, and you have 2.8 million Teso transfer from unknown wallet to Coinbase. Ooh, are they going to have a dump? We don't know. I hope not. I don't think so. Right now, Tesos is pretty low. It's like $2 or something, right? So I'm not sure. So let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. Do you think Bitcoin is going to pump even higher before it will go have some type of correction? And let me know. I would love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe. Peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency commodity have inherent risks. Please use your due diligence. This video is only for entertainment and informational purposes, not a financial advice. Please consult with your financial planner before you put your money into any cryptocurrency, commodity, or stock market that has inherent risk. And peace out.